Exhibiting at an event can be a significant investment. To get the most out of it, visit your Exhibitor dashboard for actionable data and insights to achieve your event goals. Your sales and marketing teams can identify potential leads even before the show starts by accessing a sample of companies interested in your business. Enhance your product marketing using insights on your most viewed products to guide your event presence. Stand out at the show with real-time improvement tips and insights. You can optimize and promote your profile to maximize your visibility and benchmark your performance against top and average exhibitors in your category to take action and stand out. After the event, download a detailed report of your performance at the show and close the loop by turning your event leads into real business opportunities with in-depth, actionable insights so you can analyze, qualify, prioritize, and follow up with ease. Make your next event your best yet. Use your Exhibitor dashboard before and after the event and share it with your marketing, sales, and analytics teams. RX, in the business of building businesses.